So, welcome to the virtual tour of SET Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. In this video, you will see the iconic architecture and also know more about the fests, events, campus amenities, hostel facilities, and academics at SET Medical College, Mumbai. So, the campus is spread over 21 acres with 8 gates. The hospital has 2,250 beds for patients. So, starting with the gate number 1, which is the main gate of college building. So just after entering the main gate, we see the beautiful and wonderfully decorated college building.
Hello folks, so this is Anuj Vittal Kharnar, first year MBBS student, and today I'll be playing the role of your guide for this campus tour of prestigious Institute of KM and SET GS Medical College. So let's begin. So beginning with the front portion of our college. The front portion is occupied with this magnificent scenic fountain. On the left side, we have main gate of our hospital, and on the right side, we have our KD as well as main boys hostel. On the left side again, we have Dean's Lawn, which is pretty much occupied by functions every time. And on the right side, we have UG/PG garden. So let us pay our way to the college by this huge entrance. Come inside. So moving on in this college building, on my left side you can see the clerk office, and on my right side we have LCR and BCR, which we will be dealing later on in your video. So basically introducing the college has 3 floors, which we will be dealing later in the video. And behind me I have this prestigious hall of JMLT, where the functions are upheld. Towards the clerk office. So firstly we have this UG clerk office. This is the first place where you will be coming after your admission, but it's kind of dreaded section, so move on. Secondly, we have this office of superintendent, where the superintendent of our department or our region are usually visiting. Here we have the frame of month, where the stars of month are being uploaded. So you can see we are having Mrs. Yogita over here. And moving on, we have this college HCGNT KM Hostel Nursing Home. This is not for our department, so moving on. Here we have Chief Labour Office, because KM as a big institute is having plenty of labor, so yeah. And then one of the respected office of Dean Sir, Academic Dean, Dr. Harish Pathak Sir. He's from Forensic Department. And then finally, we land up to here, the Dean office and Dean of our college being Sangeeta Rawat ma'am. So on this side, we have respected Mohan Desai Sir's office. He is medical superintendent in our college. So moving on, here we have an exit to our gate number 2, main gate of hospital. And here you can go to our old hospital building. So pretty much summing up all the connections. The main corridor, moving to the left side, we have clerk office of PG. Then for our respected Manoj Katre Sir's office for medical humanities. And moving on, we have student welfare department over here. Then on this side, we have centenary office and gents washroom. And moving on, we have this superior establishment section of our college. Here the wall of frame where all the artworks of students are being placed. And then the most beautiful section of our college, boys common room. Obviously I would be liking it. So yeah, it's pretty much spacious and pretty much beautiful. Then moving on, we have ladies common room. Same adjectives for this place. It's only allowed for ladies, so we are prohibited. Also staff is prohibited. And pretty much same for boys common room, where only we are allowed. So we are the kings of that place. This is stair number 2. This is our Janus, where museum is there on the ground floor. On the first floor we have forensic medicine department. On the second floor we have community medicine department, and it connects to library building. So moving on to our right side, we have this beautiful area which lead us to KD and gazebo. So let's go. So you must be remembering that place. This is the place where we started, the fountain, the scenic location. On my left side we have this KD and gazebo. So let's move on. On reaching this place, we have a cafeteria, Express, where we spend our most of time drinking coffee, sipping tea, and pretty much doing little studies.
तो हेलो, अभी श्लोक से मिला मैं, हमारा फर्स्ट ईयर का दोस्त जो जैसे के एम आया है सेकेंड राउंड में। ये हमें अपने कॉलेज के बारे में थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट पार्ट बताएगा।
सर सॉरी इंग्लिश में as we all know, guys, it is a fact that KM campus is so aesthetic that
It is just a
JJ
myth. It is just a myth.
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
हाँ, तर
मराठीत सांग.
recently our fine arts and creativity secretaries painted this wall, such a beautiful art by them, and I really appreciate them
Yeah, it's
for
really
such
beautiful.
efforts and for making this place so beautiful and aesthetic.
From this beautiful artwork, we will just move to the gazebo and over to Shlok, who will introduce our society and gazebo to us. Shlok,
So hello, here our society tea terminal wale bhaiya,
yes.
and he is looking.
Bhaiya, hi.
Bhaiya, hi. Hello. And इथे लोक अभ्यास करायला त्यांना अभ्यास करू द्या. So here we are at Annex Boys Hostel. This is the hostel which is allotted to 3rd and 4th years boys, and it is one of the best hostel in KEM Institute, as well as it is providing the best mess facility in whole campus.
So here we are at Annex Boys Hostel, which is just behind the gazebo. So over here we have the canteen at the
Gate number 7.
Acha, gate number 7. So behind the gate number 7, just outside the KM campus. So at the ground floor we have a canteen, which is one of the best canteen in KM according to Shlok. And above that we have a 3-floor boys hostel. So let's go in a room in a boys hostel.
Just besides the hostel, we also have a monorail station.
After having a sneak peek in gazebo, we'll now move forward to 2 ways. This ways go to Annex Hostel, the boys hostel allotted to 2nd and 3rd year boys, and this way leads to gate number 7. So let's come on. So moving onward, we have MBH on my right hand side, and on my left hand side you can see the huge library building we are having over here. This way leads to again the gate number 2 where we left the hospital, and on my back side we have a way to our new hospital building and gate number 7. So behind me I am having the most loved portion of many gym freaks. I am in front of gym, you must be guessed right now, and so I would just provide you a small sneak peek of gym from inside in this video. Let's proceed toward the ground. So here we have an outdoor ground for basketball, then football, and then tennis, the one they are playing on. So pretty much after when you're bored with your studies, you can enjoy here. So beside the ground, we are having this library building in my left hand side. Behind me, I have main gate entrance of hospital building, gate number 2. Here we have arena for indoor sports, and the structure you're seeing in back of me is CCT, Central Canteen, where we have snacks or lunch or dinner, everything. So we escalated to the first floor of CCT, and it is the place where we have our lunch and dinner. So moving forward, we have pretty much aesthetic place where we have chill pill time in our day, coffee sip, and pretty much study, which we don't do usually. This is the arena for indoor sports, and behind me is library where we painted in our centenary, I guess. Yeah. This location is our arena for indoor sports where we have TT court, 2 of TT courts for TT fans, and shuttlecock court for shuttlecock. So pretty much it basic. So moving forward, we have our library building where on first floor we have a library for resident. On second floor we have library for our MBBS and UG students. And on that side we have community medicine and forensic medicines department. After escalating from the ground floor of arena, we are here on library building, and this corridor which connects our main building to library building. So moving forward, we have very much student-likely, student-friendly committee of our college, the Gymkhana, whose head are our respected GS, girl and boy GS. Currently, they are Arya Dhumal and Chintan Jani. It's very much myth that students are being voted over autonomy or voting, but it's not like that in our college. If you have guts, if you have speaking skills, you can very much become an GS through interviews which are selected by our respected vice president and the formal GS sites of our college. So yeah, this is Gymkhana for you. So after revolving around the whole campus, we are pretty much back to the same corridor where we started, and we are here to explore more about the college building. So yeah, come on. So moving forward, we have a portrait of our respected said Gorandas Sundardas sir, after whose the college has been started and named. So yeah. So moving forward, we are on the first floor, and this floor is dedicated to second year students where they spend most of their time. Behind me, I have seminar hall for our college conducting official seminars, and on my left hand side, I have Department of Pathology and Microbiology, whereas on my right hand side, I have Department of Pharmacology and Therapeutics. So now let us move to the second floor. How can you forget this? So this portrait lives in our heart. This marks as the initiative of your MBBS journey inside GS College. And what it states is very important. Genius alone lives, all else is mortal. Genius for GS over here, for us. The second floor, we have our anatomy department over here. This is your first year subject and you would be spending your all time or most of the time of first year over here. Behind me, I have practical lecture classes, the dissection hall. And on my right hand side, we have demo classes where all your lectures would be held. So in my front we have lecture theatre of Herophilus and Hippocrates. In Herophilus you would be spending all your lecture classes and creating most of your memories with your backbencher friends. And on Hippocrates we'll be having second year lectures where you will be spending all your lectures of second year. Pretty much summing this. So on our last floor of college building, on my left hand side I have biochemistry department and right hand side is dedicated to physiology department. Here and beautiful segment is decorated by our teachers, respected teachers, on the occasion of completion of 100 years of physiology department. So be cheers for college physiology departments. In the physiology department, firstly we have hematology lab where you will be pricking your finger in first year, and secondly we have experimental lab where you will be sobbing because of frog experiments. So yeah, and on this side biochemistry you will be dealing with urine practicals on the first hall, and in second hall you will be dealing with all your activities like determination, estimation, quantification, everything. So now ending the college building on a sweet note, here we have the most calming, relaxing location of our college. You can guess it by its location and scenic views. It's the most awaited terrace of our college. You can enjoy all the views and the monorail. So on this portion of terrace, you can visualize the new hospital building, which is of 13th floor, and the UGPG hostel of girls, where the residency and PG students as well as intern students, girls, are staying.
So as we finished with the campus, let's move on to the hostel. So Anuj, what about the hostel facilities at KM?
So talking about the hostel, for first year we pretty much don't have accommodation for first year students, so we are sorry. College is very sorry for that. Secondly, girls start getting allotted from the 6 months after they have been admission, and pretty much same for the boys. And it's not about that first or second year are having different hostel. It's about where there is space, people are allotted over there. So pretty much it's on allotment basis. It's not something very sure shot that there is hostel. And if you're wondering what would be your accommodation if you're not having hostel, there are pretty much flats which are being on given on rental basis in around this campus, which are on walking distance, which cost monthly about 40 to 50,000. So you may avail them for first year. So which pretty much sums up your accommodation facilities for first year.
So you are saying monthly in sharing 40 to 50,000.
Monthly
So what
1
about,
BHK
what
flat.
about per head? In like
Per head
rentals?
it would be 10,000 approximately for an average or decent flat, and including the light bills and every costing of that flat. And for first year this much will be your rental flat.
So
And
for first year you will need 10,000 per month for just rental in Mumbai.
yeah.
Okay. So then when will the boys get allotted and when will be the girls get allotted from?
Boys would surely get allotted from the beginning of second year. There
Okay.
are 2 accommodations for the boys of second year. We have an hostel on Curry Road in Lal Bagh, and second Naigaon hostel, which is been under renovation for right now. It's not being open for allotments, but it would be open for allotment from the next year. So boys would be allotted from next second year. First year
Okay.
it won't be happening. And for girls it would be pretty much same as that of boys. Girls would be allotted the Curry Road hostel at Malbagh 2, and they would be also allotted. There is an hostel in Mazgaon, which
Yes,
is
yes.
at some distant place, but it's pretty much available from
First
from
grade
the beginning of this semester only.
So then what are the hostels for the next years, like third year and fourth year, then final year?
Talking about the schemes of hostel for third and fourth year, if we sum up, from third year we get Annex Boys Hostel for boys. It's near to
That
our
we just
campus.
saw in the video recently.
We've dealt with that hostel previously in that video, and from end of fourth year and beginning of internship we are having MBH, which is itself in campus.
Main boys hostel.
Main boys hostel. Talking about the girls, we are having UGPG hostel for residents and intern girl students, and 4th, 5th girl student have been appointed Curry Road hostel, Mazgaon hostel, as well as some are allotted in UGPG hostel itself. So yeah.
So at what distance these hostels are from the college? Like
Okay,
Can they
this
travel
is the
out?
question which is mostly been asked by the
Yes.
students. So you don't have to fear that all the hostels are not in the campus, but they are on walking distance. You would only get 5 or 10 minutes to reach over here. So it's not an issue to be concerned of. So you
Okay.
should be relieved.
and what about the hostel fees, Anush?
Hostel fees for first year, if you are not in a hostel, you don't have to pay it. But talking about the hostel fees, when you are allotted, it would be only 4,000 annually. So
It's pretty good. Okay. So now moving on to the fests. What about the fest? What fests are celebrated in KM? Like there are huge fests I have listened.
if I would be bribing about the fest and counting on my fingers, it would be too short and too short for me, my fingers, and long video too. So I would like to just brief you about some big events which are taking place in SETGS as a first year student, obviously. So when you enter the college, you would be having Aram, where you would be introduced with your campus, with all the facilities and all the places, in short what we have showed in this video only. Secondly, after Aram you have your freshers week, then you have your college week, then you have your Shidori, which is being held in January, February.
Yeah.
Shidori is kind of trailer for our big event, but it itself is been celebrated on a large scale. So yeah, it's also a big event. Then you have Avishkar itself. And talking about Avishkar, it would require a complete different video if I am summarizing everything about Avishkar. But I
Okay.
would like to cover some of the points that Avishkar is one
So,
of the.
I would like to stop you. Avishkar is like what type of fest? Cultural or academic or sports
Okay,
fest?
if you are asking about the arenas of different fests,
Yes,
cultural fest include Avishkar, while this sport fest are including Synergy and Excelsior,
Okay.
one being intra college and one being inter college, and then we also have academic event. Academics of KM. So we have also academic event which is named as Confluence, which is also pretty much interesting. So yeah, and under cultural event, if we are talking about Avishkar in brief, So Avishkar is being celebrated for 5 days, which means under Avishkar we are having 5 events, which are Orji the band, Alfaz the Hindi theatre, Apurva the
Okay.
Marathi theatre. We have Dreams, we have Prison Break, we have Gravity. These are all the events which are taking as sub part in Avishkar. So yeah,
Okay.
this also summarizes that Avishkar being one of the most biggest fest. So talking about the clubs, there are cultural clubs, academic clubs and research clubs, pretty much everything for this people who are going to come in this college. If you are talking about the academic club, it would be academic or research related club. It would be Aspire. We have Symposium which has been operated in college. Aspire is pretty much old, which is most popular amongst the club itself. And then we also have dance clubs such as Prison Break and Dreams. This teams are working too hard for our college to be represented on inter-college basis. So yeah, these are all the clubs. Not all the clubs, I would say, but these are
Some of
most
them.
popular among all the clubs. So yeah.
So Anuj, what about the cadavers in first year? How many cadavers are in students? Or how many
Okay.
students are in one cadaver?
So people are quite confused that State GS is having 250 students per batch. So would be good for the practical knowledge. So don't take any tension. We are having plenty of bodies, and we were hosting 10 people per body. But now currently we are, as per BMC guidelines, we are hosting 16 people per cadaver, which is pretty much awesome for you, because I don't know if any of the colleges would have been promoting this much efficiency or fluency with the cadavers. And bilateral body, one half of your body would be operated just by 8 people, so you have pretty much autonomy.
Anuj, what about the USMLE qualifications? How many people are qualified or get selected for USMLE? Do you know anything number?
What? This is out of syllabus question, guys.
Out of Banani.
This is not scripted. I don't know. Sorry.
Yes. Do you know anything about the postings? Like,
This is also out of syllabus question, guys.
okay. Cut. So now, Anuj, tell us about the canteens in GS Medical College.
So you won't be starved in our this GS college. There are 4 canteens. I would not be counting all the canteens, but I would majorly suggest you that there are 4 canteens in our 3 canteens in our campus itself, and the 4th one is pretty much close to our campus. So first canteen being RMO, where the food is good, affordable. So as for the MBH canteen, and we have central canteen CC, we call it CC. And then we have a canteen in Annex Boys Hostel, which is not in campus, but yeah, it's close to our college only. So these are the 4 main canteens where people are having lunch and dinner. And if you are willing that you don't want to eat canteen, or if you are having any issues with canteen, so you completely have autonomy that you can change it. And if you are thinking that what you would do if you are changing it, so there are very many options of having tiffins which cost around 80 to 100 rupees, both veg and non-veg. So yeah,
Okay.
you can opt for them.
And what about the cost in canteens? Like, how much does a thali
Canteens
or
are very efficient. They are not at all costly. They are student friendly. For students, CC is hosting, I guess, 30 per thali. For
Okay.
student, MBH is hosting 50 per thali. For
That's affordable.
RMO,
Even it's affordable.
we have 50 per thali. So it's very much affordable. So we dealt with that part, and now on heading towards the gate number 7, we have an branching route to a gynec building where most of your gynec posting would be upheld. And in back of me is a route which leads to gate number 7, blood bank mortuary. So let us explore it. Here you would witness a beautiful bond between mother and child. We are in front of gynec building, the most loving department.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
Okay. Adding new chapter to our video, we are here in front of a new hospital building which is 13th floor. On my left hand side I am having nursing quarters, pretty much well accomplished for all the nursing staff, and on my right hand side I have rootlets to blood bank, dialysis unit and RMO. So let's hinder it. So I'm in front of an important unit of our hospital, which is the blood bank. So you can see it is well occupied and well functioning blood bank. I guess there are too much requirement of blood, and it's one of the most important unit which is operating over here. So students do often come to donate their blood. You can if you want. Just beside the blood bank we are having our medicine unit. These people are working 24/7 to provide you free medical services and medicine services. So let's give a big hand to them and appreciate their work. So recording this video bring us to the urge of hunger, and here we are on the most awaited canning video of our college, which is RMO. So let's head our way. In our way we are having on both sides the chilling spot of nursing staffs. So you can enjoy the view while it's raining and while we are heading towards the RMO. So after completing everything, beside me I am having Visava, which is a temporary accommodation space for all the patients and their relative, which just provide you space to live in 100 rupees. And beside it we are having mortuary, where all the deaths are accepted and dead bodies are allotted to their relatives. So behind me I am having exit gate of campus, which is gate number 7, and from here we can officially take exit from our campus.
It's delicious.
I'm in front of a magnificent structure, which is the first hospital building of our college. We can see an Christmas tree which is planted in front of me, which is also called as Xmas part of the college. So yeah, pretty much enjoy the view. So above me you can see a bridge from where you can see it is connecting the main college building to that huge building over there. That building is called as CVTC, which is also having a CVTC auditorium where large of our function are being held. CVTC stand for Cardiovascular Thoracic Center, which is for basically TB patients. It is on that side of road because for the communicable purposes. Communicable diseases like TB are being treated over there. Moving on to the next location, in my right hand side we are having gate number 2, which is the main entrance to our college hospital building, and on my right side again we have our old hospital building, its main entrance, with the casualty as its main unit in an entrance. Behind me we are again in front of Dean's Lawn, the same structure, the very same structure I pointed in beginning of this video. So yeah, this is the Dean's Lawn where all the academic as well as cultural functions are being held, and right now you can enjoy its scenic. So after exploring the most of campus, we are back where we started. The most scenic and photographic location of our college, the very own fountain. We forgot to mention the most important and most dedicated person for this video, our requested cameraman director who was most willing to shoot this video with me. So
Yeah,
he would
he
have
also
the
helped me a
most
lot.
share of this. So I would like to ask him to share thought on this.
So actually it was my wish, so it was my long overthink wish to just make a video on this scenic and beautiful and one of the topmost medical colleges in Maharashtra. And I also thank Anuj for hosting such a nice and beautiful video that we made today. And I'm going on to Anuj.
Guys, please, for this time I want to say to you that please do like, subscribe. It takes a lot of patience to shoot and record such videos. We have to go through a lot of things. We have been recording this video and planning on this video since last week, and we have been recording for 4 hours in middle of rain. So maybe you must appreciate our dedication, and this is not my request, this is your threat now. Please like, share, subscribe. Please suggest your friend to watch this video who want to come to KM to explore the scenic locations, and do hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Do like
Do like this video.